Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're back taking a look at a video called I Tried Affiliate Marketing for 7 Days with No Money. I love these kinds of videos where people actually share their results. This video has over 136,000 views on it already and way more likes than it has dislikes. So I'm going to go ahead and like this video. If you guys can like my video as well, it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's jump into this.
For the next 7 days, I'm going to try affiliate marketing, but with no money.
So that's the thing. Affiliate marketing is one of those things that you can actually get into and not have a lot of money to start with. Like when I started doing affiliate marketing, I spent money on various tools. I bought things like solo ads to try to build my email list, and I was focusing on building that email list up. But you don't need to have a big marketing budget. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to do anything. Like affiliate marketing is amazing.
So I'm already at $8,688 in affiliate marketing earnings. I have to start this business with $0.
Okay, so he showed some kind of a glimpse, I think, of the money that he makes in this, but I'm gonna have to see it to believe it because I see income screenshots all the time, and my BS detector goes off. But let's give him a chance.
And if I fail to make any money before the end of the next 7 days, I will fail this challenge. Now there's hundreds of ways to make money online, but because of this, it leaves us confused as to which business we should pick and stick to. So for this reason, I'm going to attempt this challenge to find out how hard can it truly.
He's got all these things in the back here. So those look like, what was that, ClickFunnels awards. So looks like he's definitely a professional affiliate marketer, or maybe he sells products. But the thing with affiliate marketing also is if you have an email list from selling products already, then it's a lot easier. But if he's starting with no money and no email lists and whatnot, then that's a whole different story.
Truly be to turn affiliate marketing into a full-time income. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you get paid a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. But the question is, what affiliate program am I gonna join?
There's so many out there. There's so many different programs. There's Amazon, there's JVZoo, Warrior Plus. My main income comes from JVZoo and Warrior Plus.
I'm going to join an affiliate program called Go High Level, which pays a 40% reoccurring commission for a lifetime.
Reoccurring is always nice. You get paid over and over again. 40%, I'm used to getting 50, but 40 is still pretty decent.
But why is this so special? To answer this, take a look at this.
Companies, that means monthly recurring revenue, 97, 297, 497 a month, coming in every single month on command.
And we just sell them a monthly software subscription of the software that we white labeled, and we start to profit every single day.
To be fair, I've never seen income like this from any other affiliate program, ever. But what do I need to do in order to get results similar to this?
Now, is he pitching this? My one thing I always worry about when I see stuff like this and I see a specific program, I think to myself, okay, does he have some kind of an incentive to pitch this program to us, or is he just using this as an example?
I need to copy exactly what they're doing, which is creating short form content. Let's get at it. To come up with the scripts, I decided to see the type of videos other affiliate marketers are currently making on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I know that the first few seconds of any short form video would decide whether or not someone will stay and watch the entire video.
The only thing with doing affiliate marketing YouTube Shorts now is that you can't put an affiliate link directly in a short video anymore. You can't put a link in. You can link out, I believe, to another video. That could be a video promoting an affiliate offer or something, but you can't just like make affiliate videos with YouTube Shorts.
Therefore, I looked for videos with a lot of views and shares, but instead of just saving them, I decided to write down the intro of each one of these videos on a Google Doc.
That's really smart to actually pay attention to what these people are saying, because you're able to see what's working and what isn't. If these guys are saying the same things over and over again and they've got different formulas, I mean, use what works. Don't try to reinvent the wheel.
I searched for Go High Level on TikTok to find the top videos and ended up spending 2 hours on this, but you're gonna see why it was worth it. So I finished writing the intros, but now you might be wondering, what am I gonna do with all these intros?
It's nice that he linked it below. So if you guys want to get that Google Doc, it looks like it's in his video. I'll have a link to his video in my video below.
I came across this one video that had over 4,000 shares and over 33,000 favorites, but that's not even the best part. The best part is I can easily replicate this. So the video that I was talking about looks like this.
That's because I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 a month. You're going to find plumbers on Google Maps that either lack.
So I'm not gonna make you watch the entire video, but essentially the creator on TikTok essentially just goes over the features of the software. Now I know what you're
Looks like a review.
thinking. What's up with the 15 different intros though? So what I can do is I can take this one clip and I can add it behind the 15 different intros, and that's gonna bring me a total of 15 videos that I can distribute. Now let's say I create 2 of these clips, I can then add them to the 15 intros, and that's gonna bring me a total of 30 videos. This works because the intros are very generic. So you can see where I'm taking this.
Okay, so he's making it so that he can mass produce content, which is one of the hardest things. One thing people always ask me, like, oh, should I start a YouTube channel or should I do a blog or anything about this topic? And the hardest thing, I always ask them, I'm like, can you make content for this for the next 30 days, for the next 60 days? Can you put out content every single day? And if you're going to run out of content, you're going to be in big trouble because you need to keep on producing.
But it's much easier said than done, so let's first go create these videos. I took ideas from the video I just showed you and other popular videos and then attempted to create my own. I simply used my phone to record and walk through some of the features of the software while facing the camera on my laptop and computer. This took me about 45 minutes to do, but I was able to finish creating 3 videos. Now I've got the videos ready and I really just recreated these popular ones from TikTok, but the job is still far from being done. I'm gonna post these videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, but there's a problem.
Well, I want to know if he's posting on new accounts. Is he posting on the same account that he's built up? Or does he have a new account that he's posting on? That would make a big difference.
So how will these people that are watching my videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts go to my affiliate link? We're gonna use something called a funnel, which brings us to part 2 of this plan. I'll explain what a funnel is shortly, but before that, let's first create it. Since I have a background in online marketing, I was able to quickly build a simple funnel without any difficulty.
Look, he uses the software to do it. So it makes me think that there's definitely, I'm fine with him being an affiliate for this, but he's using this software as, I bet he's gonna have a link to it. And it's kind of like one of those things where people sign up for it and they share it around. And I've seen this business model over and over again. It's pretty a normal business model with funnel builders. People use it, they then promote it, and then they recommend it to other people. If it's a good software, then that's fine. But we need to be transparent about it.
Don't worry, I'll include a link in the description for the exact same one so you can just copy it. This is a link where people will click and give us their name and email. I'll explain why we want that shortly. I included a picture of some commissions I've earned, so I'm able to show some proof.
If he's really earned that, but he's probably earned those commissions from promoting the affiliate program. But anyways.
Once they fill out the name and email, they'll go to a page where we're selling the benefits of this software. I really just copied this from the software's website. If someone becomes interested, they can...
That's one thing I want to point out, by the way, is a lot of times when you're trying to find promotion materials for an affiliate offer, you can use their sales material. They usually have videos and emails and stuff on their sales page and bonuses. You can use those.
Click on any one of these buttons and go directly to our affiliate link, which can be found in the affiliate portal under the settings. I finished the funnel off by adding a domain, which I had previously already bought. Now you might be confused as to why we're building a funnel when we can just directly send people to our affiliate link. Now stay with me here, let me explain. You know how these big business gurus always talk about the importance of building an email list?
I mean, look, anytime you start any business, an email list, email is one of the great ways to convert
They do that because people can watch your video, they can click on the affiliate link, but not sign up.
Yeah, that's the problem. You want to be able to actually get those people on an email list so you can market to them over and over.
How do you grab those people back and send them back over to your affiliate link? You see, life happens. Someone can have a phone call come in when they're on their affiliate link. Therefore, if we have someone's email, we can always send them an email whenever we want to get them to go back over to the affiliate link. But we're not done yet. I've got the videos ready, I've got the funnel ready, but now it's time to post these videos, and I need to speed things up because I only have 6 days remaining. To begin, I created a new TikTok and YouTube account.
Okay, so he's creating a new account. I like that.
Posted my first few videos there, but there was a problem. I noticed I couldn't include a link to my landing page in my TikTok bio since I don't have 1,000 followers yet. So
That's good. I'm glad that he's showing these limitations. This is good.
I'll need to respond to comments with my landing page link or send it directly through DMs until I do reach those 1,000 followers.
I wonder if you send too many links to people if you can get in trouble.
Same applies for YouTube Shorts. Now it's time for me to stay here and pray that my videos get views. I mean, I did do everything correctly, so I am hoping I get views so I can send some traffic over to my landing page. Now, there is one more step remaining, but before I can execute on that last step, I need to first get clicks on my affiliate link. So I'm gonna hope for the best. So I don't know what happened, but my videos just tanked. The videos that
I like it that he's not like, oh, I just got 1 million views on my videos. This is good. This is real. Because a lot of times people try these methods and they just don't work. And I'll do reaction videos like this, and people will try different methods, and they'll say, I tried it. I didn't get any results like theirs. So this is good.
I posted on TikTok didn't even hit 3 digits in the amount of views that they got. My highest viewed video, believe it or not, only got 80 views. I think I'm shadow banned. Apparently people use this term if TikTok isn't pushing their videos out to the public. So that could be one thing to keep in mind. Another thing to keep in mind is it's really only been 3 days since the videos have gone live. So I just don't think I've given the videos enough time to get some views.
However, I have heard with TikTok, it can like explode pretty quickly.
At this rate, I don't think I'm gonna be able to collect commissions within 7 days, but I do have something in mind. Earlier, I had mentioned that I'm not gonna be posting long form content, but I think I've changed my mind. Let me tell you why. So as I was doing some research on how I can get more people to sign up for my affiliate link, I came across this man named Choong. Let me tell you why this man is so special.
I heard about Charlie.
On Instagram, he's reported that he's making about 6 figures a month with just affiliate marketing. But that's not all. So as I did some more research on him, I do see that he does have a YouTube channel with, it's almost at 1 million subscribers. And I'm assuming that this is where the majority of his signups do come from. Therefore, I'm going to adjust my plan just a little bit. So I'm going to continue to post the shorts that I'm already making, but instead of sending people directly to my affiliate link, I'm going to instead send people to my YouTube channel.
Well, that's what you have to do now. You have to send people to your YouTube channel. You have to send them to videos.
Number 2, I will then create educational YouTube videos, and in the description of each video, I'm going to include the link to my funnel.
It's kind of like what he's doing now. This is an educational video. It's not a direct promotion, but he has an affiliate link in it. I'd be curious as how much he made from this video.
So now it is time to get to work and start creating some
That would be a nice video to see, an income video about this video.
YouTube videos. I researched the top performing shorts from earlier and used them to come up with some ideas for YouTube videos. Since all of the shorts were centered around helping others make money online using this tool,
Go High Level is not SaaS. All these people are telling you that Go High Level is SaaS.
First, you're going to download the Go High Level app, which allows you to offer
this new software called...
This whole high level thing does sound a little bit kind of like MLM, but I don't know. It's a tool. You're using the tool. You're promoting the tool. It's a little different, I guess.
You download Go High Level, then you now have this.
I decided to keep my videos around this as well. Over the span of a few days, I wrote scripts and began planning my videos. I'll be honest, I ended up taking a lot longer than 4 days to record and edit my videos. I'm not going to fully get into details since it's irrelevant, but I was able to create 3 long form videos teaching how to make money online.
So wait, it wasn't 7 days? I thought the video said 7 days.
And using this tool. Nonetheless, I created a video on how I built a $5,000 per month online business in 24 hours and created another video on how I made $1,000 plus per day with Google. I also created another video called I'm earning $1,000 plus per day with this side hustle.
Doesn't look like he's getting a ton of views from those. It's only, I mean, it's not like thousands and thousands.
These are all very similar videos showing what the software can really do. I posted them and included a link to my funnel in the description of each video, which brings us to today. So it's been quite some time since I've left this video as is, but I have something special to show you. Although I'm way past the 7 days, some great things have happened that I just wasn't expecting. As I mentioned earlier, I left links in the description of my YouTube videos to my funnel. If you look closely, you'll see a link of bit.ly. Essentially, I can track the amount of people that are clicking on this link, which redirects to my affiliate link.
It's a nice thing, like a link tracker like bit.ly. You can use it, you can track your clicks and see exactly where your traffic is coming from and then double down on that kind of content.
Now, the question is, what has happened so far? So here is what you've been waiting for so far. So far, I've got 503 clicks on my affiliate link.
503 or 519?
So if I log into my affiliate dashboard, you can see that I've been consistently getting more than 10 to 15 clicks on my...
It's a pretty good look at that. June 26, June 26, you had 16. So this was back in June. $118, 118, 346, 118, 263. It's pretty good earnings from this. I mean, it's converting very well.
Affiliate link. Furthermore, I've also been having people signing up for my affiliate link. You know, I've had 3, 2, 1, 2. So it's about an average of 1 to 2 a day. And furthermore, you can also see that I've been earning a couple $100s consistently every day. But I know what you're thinking. Did this all come from the challenge? And the answer to that question is no, because I have promoted this software elsewhere, you know, and in my online businesses, but I want you to think about this. I've got 503 clicks on my affiliate link just from YouTube alone. That's a lot of traffic considering I've only made 3 videos around this software. Now,
if you've only got that traffic from YouTube, that's what I'm thinking, that most of that traffic didn't come from TikTok or Shorts. It's coming from YouTube videos, but that's still really good. 519 clicks and he's made.
I've only posted 3 videos, but what if I posted 5, 10, or even 25? This is where magic can happen. Now, that's not all.
Whenever people say stuff like that, like post more, like why didn't you do it? But I think he is going to do it, but that's the thing with this kind of stuff. You need to just keep on posting and making more content. And I think where even I can be my worst enemy sometimes, where if I make more content, I can make more money, but time comes into it as well. So it can be a little bit difficult.
Here's what I've learned going through this process. Creating short form content is much easier than creating long form content, but it just didn't work for me in the amount of time that I did have. Now, I'm not saying that creating short form content just doesn't work, but from my experience, it's much better for you to spend that time that you do have creating long form content because it actually gets people to go over to your affiliate link. You see, it was fascinating to see that I was able to send over 500 people to my affiliate link. That's a lot of people. With short form content, it's just much better to just send all the traffic over to your YouTube channel and just to get more exposure to your channel. This brings me to this point. Now, I wasn't able to complete the challenge within 7 days, but I
forgive him.
Was able to get over 500 people going over to my affiliate link, and I can guarantee that I got people to sign up. It's no coincidence that I'm making a couple $100s a day passively through affiliate marketing. Now it's time for you to do this.
Okay, so what do you guys think about this? Do we forgive him for that clickbaity title where it's not really 7 days? I think it's okay. He came clean with it and he didn't try to pass it off like he made it like that. I think that this method, it's a proven method of doing affiliate marketing. YouTube and affiliate marketing just work so well. There's free traffic on there. You're not buying traffic. If you're someone that doesn't mind getting on camera, you don't need to get on camera. You can just do screen recordings as well. I really think it's like, if you haven't started a YouTube channel yet, start today. There's so many different programs to promote. Look, he's not even promoting JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and look at the results he's getting. So thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure you go ahead and like it. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.